back to my channel, Justine Simone. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these knotless box braids all by myself. Your girl saved herself $225 plus. I figured out two methods that is really helpful for you to do the back of your hair and then for you to do the sides of your hair. So if you're interested in seeing my two methods and how to achieve knotless box braids, watch this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment below. If you are a returning subscriber, I honestly just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for still watching my videos, and let me know what you think. I'm actually really nervous because I'm like, ooh, how long is this gonna take? But you guys will know by the ending of the video. So right now I am going to be using the Shine and Jam Extra Hold gel. This works wonders in my hair. I have 4C hair for those who are new to my channel, so oftentimes I'm a little nervous of whether products are going to work, but this gets it really nice and like smooth. It helps with the frizz. This will probably be the key component that you will need in today's video, is a metal comb. Just a comb that has a really pointy edge for your partings. I'm doing 52 inches of the Expression pre-stretched hair. I only bought 3 packs of this, and right now this is what my hair looks like. Oh my gosh. So to start off, I'm gonna do a center part, so I parted it down. I started off with 3 sections, 1, 2, and then I have this third one at the back. So just to start off, you just want to get your Shine and Jam, put as much product as you need to really make your hair like smooth. I have a mirror in front of me and then my phone behind me, but for this one I kind of just judged the parting. I usually add the jam to each section before I braid the hair, and then I comb it through to make sure there's no knots. Then I go ahead and I separate my hair. I kind of just start off braiding. Then I add the expression hair in between my index finger, and I just braid that and grip it really tightly. You'll see that I'll now add another piece of expression hair. So the size of the expression hair that you get depends on the size of the braid that you want. You want to also ensure that you're adding the expression hair to the same side of your hair, and you always want to add it under, not over. Right now, I'm getting a lot of knots. Don't be shy like me. Go ahead and add more Shine and Jam to the ending of your hair, so that way, it can reduce the frizz and just blend in with the expression hair a little bit better, especially if you're not tucking your hair. If this is your first time, don't even worry about tucking your hair. If you can, that's great, but just really focus on making your braids really neat when you're braiding it out. Angled my hair, I split that section into 3. Then I start and I grip it really tight as I'm braiding it. Usually on my second or third braid, I'll start to add in the hair, and if it's starting to feel thin, I'll add a little bit more hair until I get the desired thickness that I want in the braid. And if this is too fast, feel free to slow this video down. There's not an exact amount of hair that I add to each braid. As I said before, it really just depends on the size of the braid that you want. So once you can't braid the hair at your back anymore, you want to flip it to the side and then start braiding it out from the side where you can see the hair in front of you. And you'll know that you need to switch when the hair starts to bend at the back. once you've braided the row like right above your ears, you want to start pre-parting the front of your hair so that it aligns with the back. Just watch these next couple of seconds to see how I pre-part the front and then go to the back of my hair to start braiding. But I just wanted to show you guys that once I got to this stage of the back, this row right here is gonna come around. I want it to align with this parting. So I'm pre-parting the sides just to make sure it fits. This is gonna be my center one at the top. So on this side, I have this small one here, 2. This is also just product. 3, 4, and then my centerpiece was 5. Be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to change my parting, so I'll do like a little side part here, or like I like a deep side part sometimes too, so then it would be this one. Pre-parting saves my life. So now that I have the little sides connected, I'm gonna part all the way around to the back. My hair is starting to get so tangled. Oh my gosh. So I can't even see yet, but the purpose of me doing this is for this parting to align with this parting and go all the way around. Nearly there. One side done, this side left. All right, so it's 1 a.m. in the morning. I started this at 11 a.m. yesterday. So I'm really tired, actually. I'm really tired. I have one left, and I just want to show you guys how I close it off. Also, I have a peak, so my center parting always goes off a little bit to the right instead of like actually center. So, you know, part according to your hairline. As you can see, I have the hair hung up. I had to move to the bathroom because of more lighting. I think one advice that I have to somebody like myself who's doing this for the first time is to have patience. Be kind to yourself, because it might not all come out perfect, but it will look good if you just take your time. But enough of my yapping. Let me show you guys this last one at the front. Ooh, the hair's behind me, so I basically just grip it in 3. Then I go under, grip it tight like this, and you just braid under. So I do that twice, and that was actually 3 times because it wasn't gripped enough. Then I'm gonna go get the hair. I'm using my thinnest one. I'm putting it under. So one is gonna be over here now to the left, and one's gonna be over here now to the right. And I'm just gonna braid it again. Okay, so I am done, hunty. I am done. I'm looking a mess, but my hair is looking cute. Guys, so this is the finishing look of the braids. I curled the ends of them a little bit yesterday. I'm actually really happy with how they came out. If you have any tips for each other, comment below and let a sister know, okay? Because people are out here charging $225 for knotless box braids. Yes, it took me 12 hours to do this, but it was worth it. If you can learn how to do it and you have tips and tricks, share it with the whole community, girl. Everybody knows that your hair is like, it's just a statement, you know? Like when your hair is done, you're ready to go. You're ready to go. And one thing I do love about knotless box braids is how light it is. It's so light. You can do so many different things with it. It's only been 3 days now since I've had them done. I can put it up, I can move it, change the parting to side parting, a deep side. Like, I love it. If you are new to my channel and you enjoy this content, please go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up. Yeah, y'all, this is what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you have a really good day. Come back next time for my next video that I post.